Hello everyone, good morning. What a morning. What a nice morning. Very nice morning. And the rain lately, Philip said that the pool picked up 5 inches. Wow, that's good news. Nice. And now I can hear some thunderstorm and it is cool. Yeah, wow, nice. So, what a lovely day. Oh, you see the flood here? So, we have a quiet, heavy rain. Nice. I love it, I love it, I love it. Because after rain, I have so many things to do. I need to later, guys. After the rain here, Beth will go crazy. Hey guys, I want you to show a very beautiful orchids after the rain. That is why every rain I really I am so glad. See guys, the orchids. Beautiful orchids. And there too. Wow. Oh wow, that's thunder. And look at the flower there. Nice, really guys. Very nice. Shining. Shining like a star. And here more. That's different color. See? Light. Very nice. And this one might be same color, purple. Purple or what? Yeah, that's purple. And who else? I think that's it. Oh, somebody cut the flower here. Yeah, there is a flower here before. Who knows? That's okay. Wow, who did that? Here. And it's dead. Nice, guys. Very nice. My sunflower. So cute. Cutie pie sunflower. Good morning, roasters. Good morning, chickens. Good morning, doggies. Let's get inside again, guys. Wow, nice. Very nice. So lovely. It's amazing. Amazing Grace. That's a song. Here too, guys. Nice banda. It can be this one finish flower finish, then another one, but the other one no flower here, nothing. Why? What? No, may isa, oh. What's that, guys? Is that forming flower, or maybe it's only, oh, might be, hala, because if that's a root, it should be growing this side, but it's here. Hala, flowers ni, guys. Please tell me. Oh, wow, might be because, oh yeah, hala, hala, flowers siguro ni. Oh, I hope so. That one, guys, this one, is that flower? Because he grow inside the leaves. If that's roots, it should be here, in line here outside. We'll just see. I hope and pray. I maybe not, because this one, oh, the roots. No, that's okay. It's okay. Okay. Hi, guys. Let's enter to my garden. Very nice. Let's check here, guys. Oh, yeah. Nice. Wow. See that? That's orchids again. Nice. Oh, wow. Look. Very healthy. Look at, guys, the cactus. He's having flower again. Big. The one that I planted here, tomato. Look, cooked by the sun. So only two remain. I think they are still young when I very skinny when I replant. So this one I won't replant yet because it will just rot. Very nice. My pichay here. Wow. So lovely. Wow. So healthy, really, guys. This lettuce. Look at her. Nice. Nice leaves. Very big. Different from pichay. The pichay ordinary. Pichay himself. This is Chinese pichay. Who knows? I forgot the name. Confusing. Hey, what's wrong with this? Wow, I love it, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. So gorgeous. What a lovely garden. So if every day, even if twice a week will rain, oh my god, this will be a more paradise. My ginger. Yeah. Starting now. You see? Nice. Wow. So lovely. I have lettuce here too. Needs to eat. Oh, showering. I have obi here, guys. This is obi. That's obi. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh wow, showering here. I love my garden. Oh wow, showering. It's really cute. It's so lovely. Hello everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Just finished. I just show you the nice, beautiful blooming plants and orchids. So nice to have a rain like this, but we just have a rain once in a while here. And thank you so much. Bye for now.